In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide indicator name TradingView. If your chart feels cluttered with long indicator names or flashing numbers, this quick adjustment will help you keep your workspace clean while still keeping your tools active in the background. Start on your chart and open the settings. You can do this in either of two ways. Right-click anywhere on the chart area to open the context menu, or click the small settings gear icon near the top of the platform. Both actions take you to the same place, so choose whichever feels more natural. Once the settings panel opens, look for the section labeled Status Line. This tab controls what appears along the top of your chart and in the indicator panels, including titles and running values. Click into Status Line to continue. Inside the status line settings, scroll until you find the Indicator section. This is where TradingView lets you choose how much information is shown for your active indicators. You'll see two options that matter for decluttering your view: indicator titles and indicator values. Uncheck indicator titles. The moment you do, the names of your indicators will disappear from the status line and from the top of their respective panes. Your indicators remain fully active. You're simply hiding their labels so they don't take up space. Next, uncheck indicator values. This hides the live numerical values that appear next to those titles on the status line. If you're analyzing price action visually, or you prefer to keep values visible only within the indicator scale, this makes the chart cleaner and less distracting. The indicators themselves will still plot and update as usual. These changes apply instantly. There's no need to click an additional Apply button. If you change your mind later, just return to the same status line area and recheck indicator titles or indicator values to bring them back. Nothing about your scripts, alerts, or indicator settings is altered by this. You're only controlling what's displayed on the surface. One quick note for clarity: some custom indicators may draw labels or text directly on the chart area. Hiding titles and values affects the status line, not custom labels coded into the indicator, so those on-chart elements may remain unless the indicator itself offers options to hide them. That's it. By opening Settings, going to Status Line, and unchecking indicator titles and indicator values, you can streamline your TradingView layout and focus on price and structure without losing your favorite tools. Save your layout when you're done, so these display preferences are remembered the next time you open your chart.